So we look at expanding brackets. So why bother with expanding brackets? Well, they allow us to multiply a number of things by a constant. So let's say then that we had 2 apples and 3 bananas for lunch. Well, if I had that for lunch every day in school, that would be 5 days. So if I put that in brackets and put 5 on the outside, I'm going to use a method called Santa's hat, and that just allows me to multiply everything on the inside by what's on the outside. So 5 times 2a is 10a, and 5 times 3b is plus 15b. And to finish Santa's hat, I'm going to draw a bobble around the 5 and turn a 2a plus 3b into the fluffy bottom. And that's where we get Santa's hat from. So we'll look at another example. This time we'll look at an expression that has unknowns both on the inside and the outside. So let's say then first of all that we have 5a open brackets 4a plus 3b. Again, I'm going to use the same method, so I'm going to draw a line between 5a and 4a. Now I do 5 times 4, which is 20, and a times a, which is a squared. So my first expression is 20a squared. I'm then going to draw my line to do a bit more of my Santa's hat from 5a to 3b. Now 5 times 3 is plus 15, and a times b is ab. And again, I just finish off my Santa's hat, and there's my answer. So we'll look at one more example. This time, let's have a look at 10x squared, brackets, 5x minus 2xy. So a little more complicated because now we've got a minus to deal with and we've got an x and a y. First thing, the method is always the same. I'm going to use Santa's hat, so I do 10x squared times 5x. Well, 10 times 5 is 50. And x squared times x is x cubed. Now I'm going to do 10x squared multiplied by minus 2xy. Well, 10 times minus 2 is minus 20. X squared times xy is x cubed y. So that's all Santa's hat is, and that's all expanding brackets are. Just a way of multiplying everything on the inside of a bracket by what's on the outside.